English is easy, like eating an apple.
A or an. A, an. An, A, E, I, O, U. Good. An apple. An elephant. An insect. An oval. An umbrella. A banana. A triangle. A lion. A girl. Good work. This is an apple. This is an elephant. This is an insect. This is an oval. This is an umbrella. This is a banana. This is a triangle. This is a lion. This is a girl. Great work. Now you try. Good. This is an apple. Great. This is an elephant. Well done. This is an insect. Good. This is an oval. Great. This is an umbrella. Good. This is a banana. Yes, this is a triangle. Great. This is a lion. Good. This is a girl. Great work.
English is easy, like eating an apple.